welcome to the 43rd annual MIT Integration Bee 2024. It's so good to see, feels great seeing all of you here. So for those of you who are first time here, either in person or online watching the live stream, you might be wondering what the integration bee. Well, it is just like spelling bee, except that instead of spelling words, you do integrations problems. So it has been an MIT tradition since 1981. If you do the math, you will see that we skipped exactly 1 year. That is 2021. You guys know why. So as I said, it is an event where contestants solve tricky integrals, ranging from maybe hard 1801 level to I don't know what, in a limited amount of time. So, and these problems, these integrals will not be like your standard deal. They will involve like a lot of tricks that you probably don't see in 1801, 1802, etc. So it really requires some creative problem-solving skills. And for the rest of you, feel free to solve along with the contestants and share your favorite contestant on, and have fun, most importantly. So a few words about the qualifiers. So this year, the qualifier happened on Monday, so the day before yesterday. We had 49 students, which is actually exactly the same as last year. However, we do see a lot more diversity in the departments represented. So we have civil engineering, mechanical engineering, ECS, physics, math, biological engineering, and nuclear engineering, I think. So a lot more departments represented, which is great. The average score this year is about 10.24, so about slightly over half. So it seems like this year's test is slightly easier than last year's, maybe. And the qualifying score is 12 with tiebreakers. So among everyone who got 12, there's like some tiebreaker depending on the difficulty of integrals. And OK, so that's the qualifiers. After the qualifier, the top 16 advance to here, the main event. So what is the format of this main event going to be like? So we have 16 contestants, and there will be two main stages. There will be the regular season and the quote-unquote playoffs. So for the regular season, everyone will come up aboard a few times, face off against each other, score points or not, depending on whether it's top integrals. And the top 8 will advance to the playoffs. So the playoffs will be a single elimination bracket involving quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals. And these will be one-on-one competitions. The schedule will roughly look at the following. So the regular season starts in a few minutes. And then the event will run until maybe 10:15. That's our estimates. It might run earlier or later. Who knows? We'll have about like a 5-minute break between each round so people can walk, stretch, use the restroom, etc. And prizes. So for contestants who advance to the next each stage of the competition, we'll give them prizes. So for the people who advance into the playoffs, we'll have $10 gift cards. So from either New Cities or Tuscany, so 2 local ice cream places. I got 4 of each. So people will have a chance to choose, I guess, based on rank order, and we'll see which one is more popular, I guess. For top 4, we'll have Dover math books. So these are some. So there are some books here. Again, if you advance into the semifinals, you'll get one of these books. If you advance to the finals, you'll get some math docs. I didn't open them yet, but they look roughly like this. Some random math equations just for fun. And for the winner of this competition, we give them like wizard's hats, which again I didn't open yet, but it roughly looks like this. And they'll be crowned the 2024 Grand Integrator. All right, rules. So how is it going to work? People are going to come up to the board, and they're going to solve their integrals up on the board. So we'll give each of them a slip of paper with the integral written on them. And after the time starts, I will also show the integral up on the screen, so you can also solve along at home or in your seats. When you're on the board, you must circle or box your answer for it to count. So you don't have to actually show your work, but you probably want to use the Blackboard as a scratch space. no matter what, you must circle or box a single answer. So we do not want you to have like 2 or more boxes. So if you change your answer, make sure to cross it out or just erase it, the previous answers. And audience, obviously, feel free to solve along, but make sure to be silent. We don't want any spoilers. OK, so what kind of answers are acceptable? So first of all, whenever we mean log, we always mean natural log. So log without a subscript. You are, of course, welcome to use ln instead of natural log. We accept different notations. For indefinite integrals, you do not need plus c. This also means that if your answer for an indefinite integral is off from our answer by a constant function, we'll also accept it as correct. In your answer, your log do not need absolute values. So the integral, the antiderivative of 1 over x is just log x. You don't need the absolute values. And we'll also check if your answer, if it looks different from our answer, we'll check if it's algebraically equivalent. So it is OK to leave your answers like somewhat unsimplified. So you don't have to multiply out large powers or compute large binomial coefficients of factorials. However, your answer do have to be in closed form. So this means that there should be no summation sign. There should be no product sign. There should not be any dots to write, and obviously, there should not be any integral signs. Also, just so that you don't unsimplify your answer too much, we do reserve the right to disqualify answers that are way too complex. So like if it's like more than 3 times as long as our answer, you probably won't be accepted. Cool. So those are the rules for the answers. Any questions? Floor and ceiling functions. If your answer is floor of pi, something like that, we'll accept that as an alternative for 3. But again, don't make it too complex. Cool. All right. So regular season.
Fractional factorials allowed, like 1/2 factorial.
1/2 factorial. Fractional factorials are not allowed because evaluating them do require integration. OK, cool. Regular season. So in the regular season, there will be 20 integrals. They come in 5 sets of 4. For each contestant, they'll only need to come up to the board once for each set. So each contestant will only solve 5 integrals. So this also means that for each integral, there will be 4 contestants solving them. So the schedule is designed so that each pair of contestants will show up on the board exactly once. Some of you might be interested, realize that this is some non-trivial combinatorial problem. How do we design the system such that each pair actually show up exactly once? Here is roughly what it looks like. So it is color-coded based on which set it is. In math, in like combinatorics language, it's like a decomposition, edge decomposition of a K16 into 20 copies of K4. But you don't need to know about that. For the regular season, the time limit per integral is 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes up, we'll check whether each answer is correct. And the scoring works like the following. So if P contestants solve it and Q contestants fail to solve it, then each person who solved it gets Q points, and each person who failed lose P points. So in other words, if you solve it, you gain 1 point per person who failed, and if you failed, you lose 1 point per each person who solved it. This is a way for us to balance the difficulty of the integrals. So if an integral is very hard or very easy, such that everyone solved it or nobody solved it, then no one gains or loses any points. If it's like, say, 1 solves, 3 fails, then the person who solved gets 3 points because it's probably a hard integral, so it's more impressive. This also makes sure that the sum of scores at the end of the regular season will be 0. So this is like an entirely zero-sum game. So after all 20 integrals, the top 8 will advance to the playoffs. So in case of a tie score, we'll look at the number of integrals solved out of 5. If that's still tied, we'll look at the qualifying exam scores. Any questions? Cool. All right, without further ado, let me present to you the, whoops, not this page, this one. So here we go. So this is what the bracket looks like. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here, so as you see, there are 20 integrals, 5 sets of 4. Each person's name will show up exactly once in D16, and the leaderboard is on the right. All right. All right, let me pull up the regular season. In the meantime, can Jonathan, Joshua, Luke, and Chirag come up to the board?
So we just take from the
Bottom.
bottom.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the top is 20. Sorry.
So 4 from here.
No, this is 1 through 20. So each bottom of each stack. There are 4 stacks, right?
Yeah. So
What two, right?
Yeah, question?
Are you Evan? Are you Evan?
No. Board 2. You're board 2.
What's your name?
I'm Yannick.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
wait. So this is problem 1.
This is problem 20.
Okay. And this is also problem 20.
Yeah.
So the very bottom of this is problem 1.
Bottom of each stack. Yes. Sorry. Yeah.
So I'll just handle that side. So I'll take from the top. And make sure you're actually.
So it's the bottom?
Yeah, the bottom one. Take the bottom one. And then just double check that they're actually the right problem.
All right. All right. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1. Integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is 2156. So as don't erase the board yet. So the judges will check if. So board 3 and 4 are correct. Board 1 is off by 2. Board 2 is being checked. Board 2 is correct. Cool. So board 2 and 3 are correct.
And
board one. Yeah, so remember that this is not summation. This is integral, so just be careful about alpha-1 errors. Cool. Make sure to erase your board after you solve, after you've done. Thank you.
Also, can we just take this all stack? Like, I'm sitting over there.
Sure. Yeah, if you want. OK. Problem number 2. Can Nilay, Nathan, Brandon, and Anton come up on the board? Oh,
Thank you.
sorry. Everyone ready? Three, two, one, integrate. Wait. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. OK, please wait until, so the answer is the following. So the trick here is to do a u substitution, where u equal to x to the 2023. U equal to x to the negative 2023 also works. Okay, so board 1, 3, and 4 are correct. Be sure to erase your board. All right. Next up, we have Nitin, Aditya, and Sharva. Everyone ready? 3, 3, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is the following. We'll check for equivalence. Do you remember to check whether it is an indefinite integral or a definite integral? Okay, board 1 and board 4 are correct. Erase your board, please. Thank you.
Is that wrong?
Wait, what? No. Wait. It was 2025. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, is it wrong?
Yeah, so the correct answer is 1 over 25 minus 2 over 25.
So it is negative what it should be. Okay, so board 1 is actually incorrect. It was negative of what it should be. Okay, next up we have Brian, David, Daiho, and Aloysius. Sorry. All right, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is following.
1, 2 correct.
Both wrong. Okay. Just take it. It's okay. Board 1 and board 2 are correct. Please erase your board. Board. I said board 1 and board 2. Yeah. Please remember to erase your board. Thank you. All right. So that was the end of first set. Wait. These have not been entered. So here's what the scoreboard looks like right now. We have some people with positive points and some people with negative points. Obviously, this is only the first out of 5 sets, so there are plenty of opportunities for the leaderboard to change. So without further ado, let's start with second set. Can I have Brian, Jonathan, Nilay, and Thid? Everyone ready? Three, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds.
Box your answers.
Time is up. The answer is root pi over 2e.
2 and 3 are correct.
Board 1, 2, and 3 are correct. All right. Okay, next up we have Anton, Daeho, Nitin, and Joshua. All right, everyone ready? Two, one, integrate. "25 seconds. Ten. Time is up. Which one is it? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? All right. The answer is minus x minus cosine. Wait, what? Oh, this one is correct.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's off by x. I see. Board 2 is correct. Erase your boards. Thank you. All right. Next up, we have Aloysius, Luke, Nathan, Aditya. No, this is fine. This is fine. It's yours, yes. Okay, cool. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. Do you have an answer? The answer is okay. Board 4 is correct. Erase your boards, please. Thank you. All right. Next up, we have Sharvar, Chirag, David, Brandon. All right, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time. The answer is please wait until as we check. Two, three, four. Okay. Board 2, 3, and 4 are correct. Please erase your board. All right. So that is the end of set 2. And here, so the scoreboard changes. There are people who solve both. There are people who solve 1 or solve 0. But again, we're not even halfway yet, so plenty of chances. All right. Next up, we have problem 9, Aditya, Chirag, Anton, Brian. Everyone ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is 0. Board 2 and 3 are correct. Erase your board, please. The trick, if I remember, is that if you sub u equal to 1 over x, you get the same integral except integrated. All right, problem 10. Nitin, David, Jonathan, Nathan. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is 303. We'll check. This is not finished boxing even.
It's also
Huh? Board 4 is correct. Erase your board. Erase your board. All right, problem 11. Brandon, Ulysses, Nithit, Joshua. Everyone ready? Three, two, one, integrate. Please be quiet. Thank you. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Box your answers. Time is up.
no.
The answer is so yeah. Okay, board 4 is correct. Please erase your board. All right, problem 12. Daiho, Nilay, Sharvat, Luke. Careful. Everyone ready? Three, two, one. Integrate. Thirty seconds. Five seconds. Time is up. The answer is this. So for those of you who have looked at the qualifier, this looks very similar to a problem 20 of the qualifier, except that there the ones and x's are all swapped. So in this case, the expression is a lot more complicated. Please hang tight. Boards 2, 3, and 4 are correct. Please erase your board. All right, that is the end of set 3. And the leaderboard has undergone some more changes. We still have people who solved all 3 integrals, which is pretty impressive. All right, let's move on to set 4. So can we have David, Anton, Nitin, and Luke? Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. Do you have an answer? All right, the answer is pi minus 3. So as you notice, the integrand is entirely positive, so this also constitutes the proof that pi is greater than 3.
2 and 4.
OK, boards 2 and 4 are correct. Please erase your boards. Problem 14. Jonathan, Aditya, Brandon, Daiho. All right, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is the following, which I believe everyone got correct. Cool, everyone got it correct. Erase your boards, please. So I think this is the first time that happened. Unfortunately, that also means that nobody gets any points. Cool. Problem 15. Joshua, Brian, Sharva, Nathan. All right. This is problem 15. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds.
Monster answers.
Time is up. The answer is 3 root 3 over 2. So but some of you might realize that this is the area of a regular hexagon with silence 1. If you draw the graph. Huh? OK, all 4 boards are correct. OK, problem 16. Chirag, Nitin, Aloysius, Nilay.
Let's go.
Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. Sorry, what is your data? Box set as well, box set. OK, the answer is this. It is not a definite integral. So OK, board 4 is correct. All right. So that is the end of set 4. Again, some scoreboard changes. So remember, for each integral, you can gain up to 3 points for solving it and lose up to 3 points for failing it. So there's still plenty to play for those people who are near the cutoff. All right, the final set. Problem 17. Can we have Anton, Sharva, Aloysius, and Jonathan?
Move the timer a little bit so we can see at least first letters of the name, so we can know where we are.
Okay. Let me shrink the. Let's do it. I don't know where to move it. It's a little bit hard to. Oh, that's better, maybe. Cool. I'll be showing the scoreboard because well, this last round will be exciting. Problem 17. Everyone ready? What just happened? Problems. Okay, everyone ready? 3, 2, 1. Integrate. $30. 10 seconds. Time is up. The answer is this. So just so you know, these are a bunch of circles. So, you know. So helper variables are allowed in your answers, but again, please don't be too egregious. We will check this one.
Very wrong.
Huh? What is it? Okay, boards 1, 2, and 3 are correct. Erase your boards, please. All right, problem 18. Aditya, Nilay, Joshua, David. Everyone ready? Three, two, one. Integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. Box your answers. The answer is, please remember that this is a definite integral. Okay, I don't think anyone got it correct. Please erase your boards. Yeah, board 2 was close, but yeah, I forgot. But this is a definite integral. All right. Problem 19. Luke, Brandon, Brian, Nitin. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, integrate. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. The answer is 1/2 log e plus 1 over e minus 1, which I believe all 4 boards are correct. All right. Problem 20, last one of the regular season. We have Nathan, Nitin, Chirag, and Daeho. All right. Everyone ready? Three, 2, 1, integrate. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Remember to box your answers. Time is up. The answer is 0, which we might need to pull the we might need to use the complexity rule here.
But I don't think how you're going to value zero.
So 1 and 3 are actually correct.
Yeah, but like the answer is 0.
Up to you.
Yeah, it seems. So here I think I will invoke the complexity rule to judge a board 1 and board 3. While they have the equivalent answers, they're way too complex compared to the answer 0. So we will not accept those 3 answers. So in this case, we don't have any correct answers. Yeah, I mean, that's the point, right? I know, but like, I mean, the answer is 0. You should, like, I mean,
yeah, I like our standing for 1.5, and it's not. I mean, I knew like.
Sorry.
I mean, like.
Change the qualifications, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. I've been reminded that this result doesn't change the qualification, so I think I've been convinced to judge these to be correct. So board 1 and board 3 are actually correct. So yeah, all right. But yeah, just a reminder. Please do a reasonable attempt of simplifying the answer, just to make our lives easier. All right. Anyways, with that aside, this is the end of the regular season. So people did pretty well. There's only one problem that stopped everyone. But anyways, I think we have a pretty clear set of qualifiers. So let's congratulate Nilay, Anton, Chirag, Luke, Joshua, Sharva, Brian, and Brandon.